Elevate typing with tactile switches for satisfying clicks and durability. Featuring customizable RGB lighting, hot-swappable keys, and compact 60% layouts, they boost gaming speed and productivity. Models like Keychron or Razer offer wireless Bluetooth or wired USB-C options, perfect for enthusiasts seeking precision and comfort over membrane boards. In this video, we're going to show you top 5 best mechanical keyboards 2026. I'm trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and never miss a product review. Number 5. Satechi 84 Touches. Mac users tend to look to Apple for their accessories, but with a little hunting, they'll find plenty of premium alternatives, like the Satechi SM1 Slim Mechanical Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard. With its Apple-like design, it'll match just about every Mac currently available. More important, it blows the Apple Magic Keyboard out of the water in terms of feel and functionality. Satisfying clicky keys, attractive backlighting, and plenty of connectivity options join customization software that is compatible with macOS, something that is still not as common as you'd imagine. And at an asking price of $99, it's a relative bargain too. Mac users, Mac-friendly mechanical keyboards are rare, but Satechi has you covered. The SM1 Slim Mechanical Board is the current cream of the crop for Mac users, especially if you're interested in an elegant design coupled with that satisfying key press punch. Number 4. Razer RZ0351302000R3U1. The Razer Black Widow V4 75% was one of our favorite gaming keyboards in 2023, and the Pro revision makes it even better. The immaculate typing feel, plush wrist rest, and compact design of the previous model returns, but the inclusion of wireless capabilities, an OLED screen, and improved build quality helps the Pro stand above both its predecessor and its competitors. But the real draw of the Black Widow V4 75% is its hot-swappable design, and that remains true here. Even if you have no interest in tinkering, the default tactile switches are great for gaming or general productivity. The only downside is the Razer's whopper of a price, but in our minds, it's well worth the asking price. Users who want ultimate customization. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that's begging you to tinker with it and open your eyes to the world of keyboard modding, the Razer Black Widow V4 75% Pro is what you need. Number 3. Sony KBD G900B.UC. The Sony InZone KBD-H75 is Sony's first gaming keyboard, and it makes a great first impression. A premium design, an 8000 Hz polling rate, and a compact 75% form factor make the InZone an ideal weapon for esports warriors who want the basics whittled down to razor precision. The comfortable magnetic key switches feel great, and its rapid trigger function offers independent actuation and release point adjustments so inputs register faster. It's an investment at $300, but the Sony InZone is worth it for hours of serious gameplay. Competitive gamers, if you're a professional gamer looking for a finely tuned keyboard that'll serve you well on any battleground, the Sony InZone KBD-H75 delivers. The adjustable actuation points and high polling rate will no doubt give you an edge up in your next mission. Users who want customization, you get ultimate flexibility with this InZone board, which lets you adjust actuation points, RGB lighting, and macros. Number 2. Satechi 108 Touches. The Satechi SM3 Slim Mechanical Backlit Bluetooth Keyboard features an immaculate typing feel and pairs perfectly with both Macs and Windows computers. It's trim around the edges, meaning you can get a full-size number pad in the least possible desk space. Also, it's got multiple wireless connectivity options, and it delivers long battery life. Add it all up, and you've got an essential productivity tool that fits many use cases on multiple operating systems. One con to note, it doesn't offer customization like some other picks on this list. Office workers. If you're looking for a mechanical keyboard that's quiet and can handle office tasks with aplomb, you can't go wrong with the Satechi SM3 Slim. Windows and Mac users. Ready to ditch your Apple Magic Keyboard? This Satechi board is compatible across different operating systems, making it a good fit if you need to switch between Mac and Windows devices. Number 1. Razer RZ0304110200R3U1. The Razer ProType Ultra is an excellent pick for mechanical keyboard users and enthusiasts. The keyboard's stunning white paint job will look gorgeous on any desk or tabletop, and once you put it to use, you'll quickly understand why it's our top pick. Razer Yellow switches, the company's fastest and quietest, deliver a satisfying linear typing feel. Meanwhile, its sculpted soft-touch keys, hinged feet, and rest rests provide ample comfort. It is on the pricey side, though it's not the most expensive pick on our list. Anyone seeking comfort. Thanks to its wrist rest and quiet keys, the Razer ProType Ultra is a stellar, cushiony choice for long typing sessions. Users who want one keyboard for work and play. This Razer keyboard is a great crossover option if you want a professional setup by day and a responsive, capable gaming board by night.